How's it going, everybody? It's Ramos Sanchez from Board at Home. So I'm working on a new sound box for the Mr. Machine. So pretty much what I've done is I added a soundboard. It has about 23 different songs or sounds, and supposedly about every 30 seconds or so, if there's movement around the sound sensor, then you should be able to hear something. So I figure I'd place it somewhere in the vehicle, in the outside area, and I'm using a Bluetooth speaker right now. So
Would you do it for a Scooby snack?
I just moved my legs so it did the sound. So yeah, so it'd be a little interactivity when people pass by to look at it. Every once in a while, it'll throw a random sound. All right, everybody, Ramos Sanchez out.